Okay, so this is day 23, and as you can see, we finished all of the outside painting of the soffits and stuff. And going inside, we did a few more repairs. So we are now turning this over to the painters. They will now take over because we have done all of the extra repairs we needed to. This house has been cleaned. Yesterday is the day we adjusted every one of these cabinets. We cut them, we adjusted them. So they now all close correctly, line correctly, meet up correctly. They, as you can see, they all line up. Now they ain't the prettiest things, but once they're painted, they will look much better. We also put in new filler pieces to make sure that they would fit correctly when we put the microwave there. So this is now ready. We did run into a problem, and you guys, if you're doing home renovations and flips, you better expect this. If you see we have a nice big hole there, it's because we have a leak in this valve, and we are gonna have to cut that out. So instead of, the painters will paint around that, and when we're done, we'll put an access panel there. So if anybody has a problem again, on the other valve, they can easily get at it. But, you know, these things happen. We also removed the dishwasher. As I showed in the previous video, this drawer couldn't open with that dishwasher, so it had to be changed anyways. But we did remove that and put it on the curb and donated it. So I think that's really it for day 23. The next stage you will see, and I will be out of here for several days, is the painters painting the house. There's all the paint all lined up and looking pretty, and painter stuff is there. And just a quick view of the back where we did paint the doors in the back. So those were all painted. Those are done. So we are now ready for the inside paint.